Hey, PG&E, tried to kill me, shutting off the power twice when I was supposed to have my heart surgery. But it didn't succeed because I had it 2 days ago. So, I'm still alive. And guess what? I don't forgive you. I would like to see them apply the Supreme Court's proclamation that companies are persons and execute you for the 2 murders you committed in the last 2 power outages here in California. Yeah. Execute you for them. One, the old guy who suffocated because he couldn't run his oxygen concentrator, well, vacuum chamber here, some of you. One who burned to death. Well, guess what? Chain you to a cast iron lamppost and pile the kindling up to here on you. That's when I want to be there selling marshmallows.